How are you today? Oh, okay, I see. So I was looking over your chart earlier, and I saw that you have low back pain. Okay, so I'm here to help you with your low back pain. I'm gonna help you decrease your pain a little bit. Also, increase that mobility in your low back so you can go back to work. It's important to uh, address this problem so you can just go back to work, just live a regular life, and just go on with your functional activities. Okay, sounds good. So we are going to be doing two interventions today. The first one is going to be a thermal ultrasound. So what a thermal ultrasound is going to be using heated ultrasound waves, which is going to heat up that tissue in the low back. So this will help with your pain as well, because that's going to be increasing your tissue. So increasing that tissue will also help with that range of motion, because we're going to be lengthening that tissue up a little bit. Okay. Do you have any questions about that one? So the expected outcome to be, you should be expecting after this is done is just having a little bit of that range of motion and mobility after we're done. You should have a decreased pain. You should feel pretty loose in that low back just because we heated that area up pretty well. So that is what we should be expecting. So this is important so we get that little bit of range of motion so you can go back to work and help just go on for functional activities, okay? Sounds good. The other one is we're going to be using a cryotherapy. We're going to be using a cold pack. So the use of this cold pack is just to help with your pain threshold. So it should increase your pain threshold and just decrease your pain you're currently having. So how this works is we're going to be using a cold pack. The cold pack is going to be on your back. This will help numb up the area a little bit. So you should have a little bit of numbness in the area, which is completely normal. Don't be surprised by that feeling, because that is what we're aiming for. The numbness will help decrease the pain, and so you don't feel that area as much. Okay, so the expected outcome of this is just have that little bit of numbness in your back, so it increases your pain threshold and decreases your pain. So that is important. So when you go back to work, you should have a little bit of decreased pain, and your pain threshold should be up. So that little bit more pain doesn't bother you as much as it does previously. Okay. Sounds good. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Do you have any questions before we start? Perfect. Thank you.